Curious about how you can build a weighing scale with a micro bit in TinkerCad? Let's jump in and explore the process together. Before we get started, please create your own TinkerCad account by visiting tinkercad.com if you haven't done so already. Step 1. Go to TinkerCad and log into your account. Step 2. Click on Circuits and then create new circuit to start a project. Step 3. Add components. Microbit. Search for microbit in the Components panel and drag it onto the workspace. Potentiometer. Search for potentiometer and drag it onto the workspace. This will act like our load cell, letting us simulate weight changes. Wires. You will need some wires to connect the components together. TinkerCad has a wire tool you can use to connect everything. The variable resistor, potentiometer, will act like the load cell in our project to simulate a weighing scale using the microbit in TinkerCad. You see potentiometers in things like volume controls on radios. When you twist the knob, it makes things louder or quieter. Step 4. Let's connect everything. Connect the first pin of the potentiometer to the 3V pin on the microbit using a red wire. Connect the third pin on the other side of the potentiometer to the GND, ground pin on the micro, bit using a black wire. Connect the middle pin, the wiper of the potentiometer, to pin 1 on the microbit using a green wire. Step 5. Create your code using blocks. You will create a simple program to read the potentiometer's value and display it on the microbit. Drag a forever block into the workspace, as it will continuously repeat the commands inside it. Within the forever block, insert a basic show number block. Inside the basic show number block, include a pins analog read pin block set to read from pin 1, which will retrieve the value from the potentiometer. Now your code will show a number between 0 and 1023 on the microbit screen based on the position of the potentiometer. 1023 is the maximum value from the potentiometer. Now, to make the number easier to read, we'll add a math round block. Find it in the math section and place it around the pins analog read pin block you just added. This will help round the number to the nearest whole number. We want to turn the rounded number into a score between 0 and 10. To do this, you'll need to do some math. First, get a block to multiply the rounded number. Look for a math multiplication block. Connect the math round block to the first input of the multiplication block. For the second input of the multiplication block, type the number 10. Next, you also need to divide this value by 1023, which is the maximum value from the potentiometer. Find a math division block and connect the multiplication block to the first part of the division block. Set the second part of the division block to 1023. Finally, connect the division block back inside the basic show number block. Now your code will show a number between 0 and 10 on the microbit screen based on the position of the potentiometer. Once you have everything connected, click on the Start Simulation button in TinkerCad to see how it works. As you twist the potentiometer, you should see the number change on the screen. And that's it. You've successfully created a weighing scale simulation using a potentiometer and microbit in TinkerCad. Great job learning how to connect and program these components. Once you have everything connected, click on the Start Simulation button in TinkerCad to see how it works. As you twist the